Question number 3 from 4.3, sub question number 2. So find the roots. So first here, you'll have to form the quadratic equation in standard form. Right now, your question is not in standard form. So one must have to take here a LCM of the given two factor. So what will be the LCM of these two factor? We don't have any common here. So what you'll have to do, you'll have to take both the factors. That is x plus 4 into x minus 7. Since here we don't have any common factor, always it can be possible to take here a cross multiplications. So if you multiply by 1, it will give the same factor, which is x minus 7. After that, minus sign. Again, these two take a cross multiplications. We are multiplying by 1. It will give the same factor x plus 4, which is equal to 11 divided by 30. Now remove the brackets. We are multiplying by 1, so it will give the same term here, x minus 7. But this step you'll have to be careful because we are multiplying by negative. So minus into x will be minus x. Minus plus r minus 4. Likewise, denominator place also you'll have to multiply. First multiply by x, xr, x square. Now again x into 7. But before that, see that their sign. Plus, minus, minus. X into 7 can be taken here, 7x. After that, with plus 4, you'll have to multiply both the terms. 4 into x can be taken here, 4x sign. We have plus, plus will be plus, again plus, minus, minus. 4 into 7, which is 28, which is equals to 11 divided by 30. After that here, we can see here plus x minus x. So same term, opposite sign you can eliminate. Minus, minus or plus. 7 plus 4 equals to 11. Sign we take from the bigger number. 7 is greater, so it has a minus sign. Divided by, again here, x square. Like terms, these two. Minus, plus or minus. So 7 minus 4, that is 3x. Sign take from the bigger number. So 7 has negative sign. Minus we have 28 also equals to 11 divided by 30. After that here, all these three terms are unlike terms. The only option left, that is to take a cross multiplication. So x square minus we have 3x minus 28 into, we are multiplying by 11. Likewise, minus 11 into, we have 30. So minus 11 you can cut, but here it will be left with minus 1. Here 1. So if you multiply by 1, it will give the same result, x square minus 3x minus 28 equals to negative, positive will be negative, 31 is 30. Now after that, take this minus 30 from right side to left side. So x square minus 3x minus 28. Negative becomes here positive, 30 equals to 0. Again, x square minus 3x. These two are like terms. Minus, plus or minus. 30 minus 28 equals to 2. Sign, positive sign equals to 0. So this will be your quadratic equation in standard form. After this, which method you want to apply, it depends on you, because here the question says just find the roots but didn't mention which method to apply. So there are three methods are there, which is the first method, that is a factorizations method, which is also known by splitting the middle term. The second method, that is a method of completing the square. And the third method, which is a quadratic formula. And the fourth method, which is not there on your book, that is it is known by Push-in law method. It's a new method. So among these four methods, you can apply any one of it. So first, see that whether splitting the middle term is applicable for these equations or not. So now the first step, what we used to do on splitting the middle term, we used to multiply the constant, that is a product of the extreme values, So 1 into 2 will be 2. And here the sum we have 3. So to get a factor of 2, all the possible factor, 2 and 1. So I need here 3 as the sum by using a plus sign. So whether we get or not. 2 plus 1 equals to 3. That means these are the factors to split this 3. So now here x squared, the same sign you'll have to bring. Now instead of this 3, you'll have to substitute by 2 and 1. Take the bigger number first, so 2x. After that here we have 1, 1, x. Sign, you multiply these two, minus plus will be minus. After that, the remaining constant plus 2 equals to 0. Now what we do here, from the first two terms, you'll have to take the common. Both has a variable x, we are taking x common, so there will be one more x minus, so only 2 minus 1 and 2 are divisible by 1 table. After that, x minus plus will be minus 2, we can close, equals to 0. Then the factor x minus 2 and x minus 2 are common, so we take only one of it. After that, you'll have to collect whatever we took common on our previous step. So x minus 1 equals to 0. So we've got the two factors. Now we need the roots. Equate with 0. So the first factor, x minus 2, equate with 0, or the second factor also equate with 0. After that, therefore x equals to plus 2. Again here, therefore x equals, take this to the right hand side, plus 1. Then the required roots of the given quadratic equations are 2 and 1.